Careful. Hey, Torin. No. Ew, messy. Don't do that, please. Try your pizza. Try your pizza. Hey, Torin, did you just go to gymnastics? Did you just go to gymnastics?
I
Whoa. We did just go to gymnastics, our second time. Hold on. Just a straw, okay? And Torin did really good this time. And now we're having a pizza and chocolate milk before we go to Lynn's house. And before Mommy goes to work. I love you. Say hi.